The time has here. My excitement is beyond words. The quality of this is just increasing. I guarantee you will go completely crazy today if you haven't already. It has been years since we last saw such optimistic news. We can skip the small talk and go right to the subject since I know you're getting impatient. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. The Shiba Inu celebrates a significant birthday today. Rising investor interest and positive momentum shown by technical indicators point to a possible breakthrough for the cryptocurrency. Although these signs are significant, something far more significant is occurring in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu's value increased by over 3% in the past day, showing a little upward trend. And it is only recently that some intriguing information about that era have been uncovered. This time, the on-chain data has something crucial to say, and it never lies. Shiba Inu's market research yielded some encouraging data, according to crypto expert Shytoshi. He claims there are indicators that might indicate a breakout is imminent. The Shiba Inu price has finally broken out of its month-long trend after a time of being reasonably steady inside a symmetrical triangular shape. If a trend that has persisted for at least a month is suddenly broken, it might indicate a change in momentum. This may indicate that the price breaks through the upper trend line, which is particularly significant for Shiba Inu because of their very fast price changes. There may be some interesting things on the horizon. Surprisingly, this is not a mere accident. It was recently found out that in May 2024, Shiba Inu really had more trading volume than Bitcoin on an Indian market. Now let me explain something to you. Unlike with Bitcoin, altcoins like Shiba Inu don't just magically outperform Bitcoin in terms of trading volume. What this means is that the Shiba Inu area is seeing some major activity. If Shiba Inu, an altcoin, performs better than Bitcoin in terms of trading volume, it basically indicates that investors are buying and selling Shiba Inu at a higher rate than Bitcoin. An indication that something significant is about to happen for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency might be this spike in trade volume. When this happens, it's usually an indication that support for that cryptocurrency is growing and it's becoming out of hand. The euphoria around Bitcoin has reached new levels due to its recovery and the return of long-term whales who are accumulating it. When you consider that the Bitcoin ETF has had inflows for 16 days in a row, you can see that Bitcoin is generating unprecedented levels of excitement. It should not be forgotten that yesterday saw the second largest influx in history, surpassing $1 billion. Several variables are responsible for this enthusiasm. In the world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is generally considered a trailblazer and frontrunner. A lot of people pay attention and become excited when its price goes up or when there's more activity over it. Investments into the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, also show that institutions are beginning to recognize Bitcoin for what it is, a valid asset class. So, it is absolutely astonishing that Shiba Inu can reach that degree of interest among all this Bitcoin craze. Considering Shiba Inu's relatively recent entrance into the cryptocurrency world compared to Bitcoin, it testifies to its distinct attraction and momentum. In the middle of Bitcoin's renaissance, the Shiba Inu's growth stands out even more since it implies a major change in attention and feeling towards the breed. What exactly is happening here, then? Somehow, it's doable. Okay, I'll try to clarify. On June 5th, a major event occurred in the Shiba Inu world, according to stats from the Look on Chain account. Large investors or cryptocurrency whales amassed an unprecedented quantity of Shiba Inu coins, sparking a wild purchasing frenzy. Because of this unexpected surge in demand, the price of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency jumped 10% in just 2 days, propelling it to the position of second biggest meme cryptocurrency in terms of market value. To put it more simply, large-scale investors suddenly bought up a disproportionate number of Shiba Inu coins, which increased demand and caused prices to skyrocket. When large investors, known as whales, go on a purchasing binge, It's usually an indication that they're quite enthusiastic on Shiba Inu and its future prospects. According to Chain, two anonymous whales spent an astounding $35 million in fiat money to buy 9 wallets worth of Shiba Inu coins, for a total of $1.3 trillion. There has been a lot of activity from the Shiba Inu whales recently, much to what happened with Bitcoin. On the other hand, Shiba Inus are completely insane. Along with this enormous purchase of Shiba Inu on June 5th, the same data source also revealed that an unnamed very large Shiba Inu whale purchased an unprecedented 715 billion Shiba Inu. They paid $18 million for this when they bought it. Additionally, the second whale has a wild past. This second whale amassed 5.5 trillion Shiba Inu coins, which is equivalent to almost $400,000 during the early days of the Shiba Inu. They made almost $121 million when they sold that number when the Shiba Inu price was at its highest. Do you think it's possible? Disbelievingly, there is a $121 million gap between $400,000. Envision yourself with $400,000 and the ability to invest and time your investments such that they yield $121 million. That's a phenomenal increase in wealth, and it exemplifies the enormous potential for profit in the cryptocurrency market, even with a little initial outlay of capital. Why, therefore, are the top whales purchasing so much? Is Shiba Inu about to see a major change? There could be, in fact. A worrying trend in the cryptocurrency industry recently prompted Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, to go to Twitter to voice his opinions. He brought attention to the expanding pattern of famous people creating their own tokens, marketing them heavily, and then purportedly selling their shares to make money off of their supporters. Concerning this tendency, what is alarming is the ethical stance. It may be disheartening for fans and investors when celebrities promote token launches, create buzz, and then quickly liquidate their assets. The followers are led to believe that their money is safe in the celebrity's hands, but when the star chooses to cash out, their investments are worthless. This is a classic example of exploitation. Real value and practicality, not empty promises and celebrity endorsements, should form the basis of every project. Instead of becoming a fleeting fad, Vitalik Buterin said, companies should provide real involvement beyond token trading and aim to last. Here is where the head developer of Shiba Inu comes into play. Shytoshi Kusama took Vitalik Buterin's criticism to heart, expressing optimism about Shiba Inu's future work that reflects Buterin's goals. In order to validate Buterin's input, he said they are contemplating an even larger scale initiative. Tell me what this means. What this means is that Shiba Inu isn't only cognizant of the need for long-term, significant initiatives in the Bitcoin industry. It implies that they are actively striving to create such projects. This might get people pumped up since it could mean big long-term changes are coming to the Shiba Inu ecology. The massive resurgence of whale populations and the subsequent influx of Shiba Inu dogs could be attributable, in part, to this revelation. However, why is that? Well, when powerful people like Shytoshi Kusama realize how important it is to establish trust and value over the long run, even these whale investors might feel more secure after reading it. For them, this may mean that Shiba Inu is starting to solidify itself as more than simply a rumor mill and into something real and useful. With an eye on future development and profits, they are probably keen to get on the bandwagon as soon as possible. However, what is your view on the matter? Let us know your thoughts in the comments column. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.